Hello, I'm Andrew from Nigeria, student of the Forex Beginners Academy by Sadali. Um, there's been a journey of total transformation. Before I started trading, I was a complete newbie. I knew nothing about trading, and when I came in contact with Sadali's course, Trade Forex Beginner Academy, I began, and before I could know it, I had gone far, and I began marking up charts. I was able to learn Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, um, um, trend lines and channels, and so many other things I never knew about. It has been a journey of total transformation, an amazing journey of knowing nothing to having a good knowledge of trading, and I've learned how to mark up charts, how to analyze charts. Like you always say, trading is 100% chart analysis, and I've come to witness it firsthand. And because whenever I mark up the chart, I see that everything seems to happen the way he has been telling us, and it's been an amazing journey. And he has always been there on the student group on Facebook to help review our markups, and it has been an amazing journey. And I can gladly, like I have done, I have told people about the course, and I've recommended the course to several persons, and I will gladly recommend it to anybody who is willing to learn. I want to use the opportunity to say, Salal, I'm very grateful. I appreciate you for giving this course free of charge. I've seen people who were selling courses over or up to $100. This one came free, and it has really transformed my life. Thank you very much, Sadali. Thank you, First Beginners family. I'm so grateful. God bless you.